Hi Robert, here is what you see, bull named semi-automatic shotgun with 18-inch barrel, polymer handguard, polymer stock, and let's get down to business. And first we take down the rubber pad with the help of screwdriver, and we use wrench to take part stock and we poke down those pins that hold trigger plate. Here it is. Handguard nut, handguard, and again this is again called nut, and charging handle. And here comes the barrel and gas piston. The bolt, the most important thing, and action spring, and bolt carrier and bolt carrier tube, and handguard latch. So now we are all good. Now we are assembling it, and handguard latch, action spring, bolt carrier tube, the bolt, and the barrel, and we screw on our nuts, charging handle, here it's very simple to do that, and the trigger plate, the pin, we poke down the pin a little bit, handguard, and handguard nut, and stock again. And the rubber pad. Last thing is the rubber pad. And our gun is ready, as you see. Thank you.